Hello, it's Pete Hughes, Sizzix, and today we are talking about Colorize again. But we're going to talk about these wonderful accessories and how you can use them to get the best from your animals. So, we know that obviously this is the original size, this is the new size. They're both wonderful, you can use them together, you can play around obviously with the scale of these. But the wonderful thing is these accessories, how you can take the accessories and change the whole thing, change the narrative, change the story. So it's all about the sentiment that you use and the background very often as well in conjunction with that. This is the set of accessories for the smaller of the two. We have two sets of accessories, one for the larger, the original animals, and one for the smaller. But this is the smaller one. They're exactly the same except for the scale, obviously, you know. So, right, let's have a look at how we can play around with that. So let's just take a card front. Now, it bears the legend Party Animal. We've got this background. Now, a lot of these backgrounds, in fact, every one I've used is a Tim Holtz die from back in the day. And if you go to timholtz.com and you go on products at the top, you will find the Sizzix page. And then you will see every single die that Tim has ever brought out. And there are, well, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. And this background was one of them. And so what I've done is I've cut it from one shade of yellow, superimposed it onto another shade of yellow, and then just trimmed it to size. Now, let's add Theodore. I'm going to be using Theodore today. So we'll pop that on the front, which in itself is pretty cool. And I've done all this with overlays. Okay, so these are acetate overlays. Rather than make 4 casts, it just gives you an idea of how you can combine both the dies with the accessories. So that is Party Animal. That's card number 1. Now, we're sticking with Theodore. We'll take Party Animal out and we will bring in Joy to the World. Okay, so again, this is another classic background from Tim. Then we'll pop Theodore in the front, but of course, Joy to the World. How about a nice Victorian Christmas? Now, I've been a bit naughty actually, because this is from a completely different set. The candle, I can't even remember the name of the set, but you're going to have to go back and do a deep dive and go to timholtz.com and see all those wonderful die sets. You may already have it in your stash. It's an older one. So go back and check and see if you have that. But, you know, there are tons of other options available as well. So let's take those away. So that's obviously that wonderful scarf, which used to belong to Winston, the snowman, if memory serves. Now, I'm going to take that out. Again, we will stay with our good friend Theodore and bring this background in. A very dapper birthday to you, sir. He is quite the gentleman, isn't he? So what are we going to add to that? Well, how about this? So, again, all from the accessory set, with the exception of the umbrella, which comes from a die set which came out, I think, 2019, where Tim had these silhouettes of gentlemen in top hats, and there was a cane, and there was a lovely umbrella. So you could just see this chap climbing off the tube in Westminster, I think, on a wet Wednesday afternoon with his brolly in hand. Now, one more. But you can see how much, by changing the background, changing the narrative, changing the sentiment. Hope you have a magical birthday. And we've got that lovely star background. Again, that is another Tim Holtz die from way back when. Now, how about that? Now you see the colors that we've chosen. We chose very deliberately indeed. Yes, it is Gryffindor, for those of you who are fans of The Boy Wizard. And we've taken the hat from the accessories. Let's bring those accessories back in actually. So we've taken the hat, we've taken the little cauldron for holding the candy. We've also taken the scarf, but by changing the colors straight away, in those colors, you know what we're trying to say here. And this was from a Halloween set. Oh, goodness me, I can't even remember when. But that's the thing about having a stash. And that's the thing about looking into your stash and seeing how you can repurpose things, how you can breathe new life into things. And these colorized dies allow you to do just that. They really are the gift that keeps on giving. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. As always, please go back and check out Tim's overview where he talks about the Colorize concept and the latest collection. And of course, I've done a couple myself, so you might want to go back and look at some of them and see them as a complete series. But you'll find them all on YouTube. Of course, there is lots of inspiration on Instagram, Facebook, and all the usual sources. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you again soon.